So this is the last lecture of the chapter gravitation, and in the previous video we had discussed about satellites, the kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy. We also seen the graph, right? So in today's lecture we'll be solving the questions based on satellite, and we'll be completing this chapter. Okay, so see, the question is given as a satellite of mass m is orbiting the earth of radius r at a height h from its surface. The total energy of the satellite in terms of g0, that means in terms of g, that is acceleration due to gravity, right? So to find the total energy of the satellite which is revolving at a height h from the surface of the earth in terms of g, that is in terms of acceleration due to gravity. Well, this was the question asked in NEET 2016 phase 2, right? Okay, so according to the question, earth, a satellite is orbiting around the earth at a height h. Let this be the radius r. Okay, fine. So let m be the mass of the satellite. Okay, fine. So we know that the total energy of satellite is minus g MEM by r, where r will be the total distance re plus h. This will be equals to r. This is what we had discussed in the previous lecture, right? That the total energy of the satellite will be minus g MEM by r, where r is re plus h. Now the question says that you have to give the answer in terms of acceleration due to gravity, that too at the surface of the earth. Okay, so what is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth? Gme upon r square. Fine. So already we are having Gme. So let us multiply and divide this equation by r square, and so then this term will be, this will be equals to acceleration due to gravity, which is given as minus m g naught r square upon r. But what is r? R plus h. So this is the total energy of the satellite in terms of acceleration due to gravity, which is revolving at a height h from the surface of the earth, right? So this was a question of NEET. Clear? Okay, we'll solve another question. So another question, remote sensing satellite of earth revolves in a circular orbit at a height of 0.25 into 10 raised to 6 meter above the surface of the earth. A satellite, remote sensing satellite, is revolving at a height of 0.25 into 10 raised to 6 meter from the surface of the earth. If radius of earth is, that is if r is given as 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 meter and g is 9.8, which is on the surface of the earth, you have to find the orbital speed of the satellite. See, this was again the question asked in NEET. You have to find the orbital speed of the satellite. Okay, we just have to substitute, we just have to write one formula and we have to do the calculation, but few questions are such that it will be there will be a difficulty in solving the values. That means in calculating the values it might look difficult. Otherwise we just have to use the formula Gme by r. This was the orbital speed of a satellite. Okay, now the satellite is this is your radius, satellite, it is say at a height h from the surface of the earth. Okay, so this will be the total distance, which will be re plus h. Okay, which will say it as r, right? Satellite is already revolving around the earth at a height of 0.25 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, now acceleration on the surface of the earth is given 9.8, which is again Gme by r square. Okay, so now let us multiply this equation by RE square and divide it by RE square. Right, because the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, which is gme by RE square, is given. So now this will be equals to root of g RE square upon r. But what is r? RE plus h. So we can take RE this way into root of g by RE plus h. Let us solve this. RE is given 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 into root of 9.8 upon 6.38 plus 0.25 into 10 raised to 6, right? RE plus h. Clear? So it will be 6. Add this to 5 plus 8, 13, 3, 6, 36.6, right? So 6.63 RE plus h. Add this to 6.38 plus 0.25 and 10 raised to 6 will be common, right? So it will be 6.63 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, we can take 10 raised to 6 outside the root, so it will be 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 upon 10 raised to 3 into root of 9.8 upon 6.63. So this will be 6.38 into 10 raised to 3 into root of now 9.8 upon 6.63. Okay, so let this be rounded off to say 6.6. So it will be 6.38 into 10 raised to 3 into root of 98 by 66. We can do this way, right? Okay, 66 one time. Point, because 66 ones will be 66, right? Then the difference will be of 32, so point, so it will be 320. So that means it will be nearly 320. You have to divide 320 divided by 66, right? 4, 2, 4. Okay, so we can use 66 into 4, right? Nearly. So the root of 1.4 will be 1.2, right? So finally it is 6.38 into 1.2 into 10 raised to 3. So your answer will be 7 point something, right? So in the option it is given as, yes, it is given as 7.76. So that must be your answer. See how to solve this once again. See, orbital speed is root of gme by r. This is what already we had derived in the previous video. Now, see, here the value of acceleration due to gravity is given, but that is on the surface of the earth, and already satellite is at a height h. So we have to multiply by RE square and divide it by RE square. Then only gme by RE square will be equals to small g. So g RE square upon RE plus h. RE square and then root. So it will be RE over here into root of g by RE plus h. Instead of RE, the value is given 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 into root of 9.8 upon this. Again 10 raised to 6 and it is in root, so it can be written as 10 raised to 3. So finally it will be 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 upon 10 raised to 3 into root of 9.8 upon 6.63. So I have written this as 98 by 66. Right, so 66, 166, 76, 86, 96 and 2, so 32, right? So I have placed the point, so it will be 320 and 66 into 4 will be 264. So this will be nearly 1.4 whose root will be 1.2, right? So then 6.38 into 1.2, So it will be nearly to 7 point something. So that is how we will remove this, because we are not allowed to use calculator, no? Clear? Okay. Let us solve another question based on satellite. Okay, so the next one, near the Earth's surface, time period of satellite is 1.4 hour. Near the Earth's surface means you can take the distance as RE. This is the surface, this is Earth, this is radius of Earth, right? Near the surface of Earth, so we can take this way. So this satellite is also at a distance of RE. The time period is 1.4 hours. So time period for a satellite is 1.4 hour when it is at a distance RE. Okay. So find the time period if it is at a distance of 4 hour from the center. So we have to find T2 when it is at a distance 4 RE, 4 hour from the center. Let this be R. Okay. So we know that the square of the time period is proportional to cube of the distance, right? So T2 square upon T1 square equals to R2 cube upon R1 cube. T2 square upon 1.4 the whole square equals to R2 cube. So it will be 64 R cube upon R cube. So T2 square will be 64 into 1.4 into 1.4. So this can be written as 64 into 14 into 14 divided by 100. Right? So T2 will be, root of 64 will be 8, 14, 14, so it will be again 14 upon root of 100, so that is 10. So T2 is 4 into 5 2s are 10, right? 48, 2.8. It will be 11 point something. Clear? 2.8, 11.2. So your answer will be approximately 8 root 2 hours. Clear? Right? We know that square of the time period is proportional to cube of the distance. Okay, so we have solved the questions based on satellites. Now few similar types of questions of all the topics I will be giving. You will have to try it by yourself, and if you are having any doubts, then we will go through the sums for which you are having the doubts, right? And now we will start with the new chapter in the next video, that will be rotational motion.